Learning programming using neural networks involves both understanding the concepts of neural networks and programming itself. Here are step-by-step instructions to help you learn programming using neural networks. 1. Learn the basics of programming. Start by learning a programming language such as Python or Java. This will help you understand the fundamental concepts of programming, including variables, data types, loops, functions, and more. 2. Understand the basics of neural networks. Familiarize yourself with the basics of neural networks, including neurons, layers, activation functions, weights, and biases. You can find many free resources online, such as tutorials and videos, to help you get started. 3. Choose a neural network framework. Select a neural network framework, such as TensorFlow or Keras, to build and train your neural networks. These frameworks provide high-level APIs and are widely used in the industry. 4. Install the framework. Install the framework on your computer, and ensure that it's up to date with the latest version. Most frameworks can be installed using package managers like pip. 5. Build your first neural network. Start by building a simple neural network to perform a basic task, such as image classification or text generation. There are many tutorials and examples available online to help you get started. 6. Train your neural network. Use a dataset to train your neural network. Start with a small dataset to test your neural network and gradually increase the dataset size to improve the accuracy of your model. 7. Evaluate your model. Evaluate the accuracy of your model using a test dataset. Use metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to measure the performance of your model. 8. Improve your model. Once you've evaluated your model, you can improve its performance by tweaking the hyperparameters, increasing the dataset size, or using more advanced techniques like transfer learning. 9. Experiment with different types of neural networks. Try building different types of neural networks, such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs, or recurrent neural networks, RNNs. These can be used for tasks like image recognition or natural language processing. 10. Practice and learn from others. Keep practicing and learning from other developers. Join online communities, participate in hackathons, and collaborate with other developers to gain experience and learn new techniques. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can learn programming using neural networks and become proficient in this exciting field.